Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change file type Windows 11. First, open the site where you have the file. There, click on the View menu and from the Show option, enable the File Name Extensions line. You can see the current extension of the file. After this, select the file and click Rename. You are going to delete the current extension and enter the new one. When you press Enter, you must click Yes to confirm this change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.